This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Janet Henley. Just over 17 acres of rolling beauty. New front gate and drive lead to an idyllic building site with view of Chilhowee Mtn, including Three Sisters and Blackberry Mountain. 3 more possible building sites, one with mountain views, one next to woods, and one in the woods. Mostly fenced, approximately 12 acres was previously used as pasture and 5 acres wooded. Property is rural but only 10 miles from Blount Memorial Hospital. Survey and soil test available. For more information, review the details below or contact Janet Henley at 865-342-4200.